The hexagonal cut diamond is a striking and rare diamond shape that features six symmetrical sides resembling a hexagon. Its unique geometry sets it apart from traditional cuts, offering a modern and architectural look. The facets of a hexagonal cut are typically arranged to maximize the diamond's clarity, giving it a clean, refined appearance. What makes the hexagonal cut truly unique is its bold and geometric form, which creates a captivating contrast to more conventional round or square diamonds. This cut emphasizes the stone's natural color and clarity, with the angles reflecting light in a sophisticated, subtle way. The shape's symmetry also enhances its versatility, making it an excellent choice for both contemporary and vintage-inspired designs. Often used in one-of-a-kind engagement rings or as an accent stone, the hexagonal cut diamond adds a distinctive artistic touch to any piece of jewelry. Perfect for those who want a diamond that stands out with elegance and individuality, the hexagonal cut is a beautiful choice for those who appreciate modern, geometric beauty. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.